That ugly red airbag warning light is about to vanish for good after this quick few-minute fix. If you're staring at that error on your dash to see how to eliminate one of the 3 most common causes, completely free of charge. No parts, no costs, just results. Let's get after it. Out of the 3 fixes I mentioned, today we're tackling number 1. Communication issues between the modules and the side door airbags. If your car's brain isn't talking to the doors correctly, this is exactly what you need to see. How do we fix this? First things first, and this is extremely important. Since we're working directly on the airbags, I'm disconnecting the battery for safety. An airbag going off in your face can literally snap your fingers. Plus, a replacement costs hundreds of dollars. It's just not worth the risk. I'm starting by loosening and pulling off the negative terminal first, then the positive. Stick to that order. It's crucial to avoid any nasty voltage spikes or shorts while you're at it. I'm giving it a few minutes to settle after disconnecting, and then it's go time. I'm backing out the 2 screws holding the door panel and popping it off with a plastic pry tool. Use plastic so you don't butcher your upholstery or the paint. Next, I'm disconnecting all the wires inside. Be gentle here. You don't want to snap or rip anything. Now, I'm hitting every single plug I pulled with some electronic contact cleaner. Sure, we could just clean the airbag connector and call it a day, but for an extra 2 minutes of work, we're making sure we won't have to touch this again for years. I'm unplugging everything from the door control module and applying the cleaner to all the pins, both on the module and the harness side. I'm repeating the whole process for the door panel we just pulled off, but don't forget the door hinge connector. Honestly, this little guy is usually the main culprit. It's a bit of a pain to unscrew and pop open, but once you've got it, hit it with that contact cleaner and let it sit for a bit so the excess can evaporate. While we're waiting for everything to dry, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button and hit subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these videos coming. Huge thanks for the support. From here, it's all downhill. I'm plugging everything back in, snapping that door connector tight to make sure the seal is sitting flush, and putting the panel back on. Finally, I'm reconnecting the battery. Remember to stick to the right order. Positive terminal first and only then the negative. Let's see if we fixed it. Now, once you fire up the car, don't panic. The light won't just vanish on its own. It's hard-coded into the memory. You'll need to hook up a diagnostic tool that can talk to the airbag modules, run a full scan, and clear that error manually. There's always a little moment of suspense while the computer does its thing, but if everything went well, the result should look exactly like what you see on the screen right now. If this didn't do the trick for you, don't give up yet. Check out my other 2 videos on the most common BMW airbag fails, and we'll get it sorted. Take care and see you there.